Great white shark. A great white shark is gray and white. Mako shark. The mako shark is gray. Whale shark. The whale shark is blue with white spots. Lemon shark. The lemon shark is yellow. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is yellow. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is pink. Tiger shark. The tiger shark is gray with stripes. Sawtooth shark. The sawtooth shark is blue with spots. Nurse shark. The nurse shark is yellow. Leopard shark. The leopard shark is yellow with black stripes. Orca whale. The orca whale is black and white. Blue whale. The blue whale is blue. Beluga whale. The beluga whale is white. Humpback whale. The humpback whale is brown. Right whale. The right whale is black. Fin whale. The fin whale is black. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is black. Humpback dolphin. The humpback dolphin is white. Dolphin. The dolphin is blue. Baby dolphin. The baby dolphin is gray. Mega dolphin. Mega dolphin is gray. Harbor seal. The harbor seal is brown. Spotted seal. The spotted seal is green with black spots. Fur seal. The fur seal is gray. Sea lion. The sea lion is gray. Walrus. The walrus is brown. Giant octopus. The giant octopus is orange. Loggerhead sea turtle. The loggerhead sea turtle is brown and yellow. Green sea turtle. The green sea turtle is green with black spots. Anglerfish. The anglerfish is orange and blue. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.